One, two, three.
Hello, beautiful people. This is Divine Collections. Happy New Year. I know it's been a while since I put out a video. Um, I have been, really busy doing other things, personal things, and things like that. But I have a video today that I wanted to, show you guys that, I think will be beneficial for you. So today I am installing some temporary locks. Um, if you look at the hair, it kind of has almost like it looks almost like, what do you call it, passion twist, but it's not really passion twist. And the reason kind of like for the curls is because of the type of hair that I'm using. It's not regular Marley hair. Okay, so I'm going to display the hair that I am using for this. So the hair that I am using is it's an Expression brand. It's called Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist. Okay, and it's 24 inches. It comes in different lengths. I got it from my local beauty supply, but but I got this 24-inch one. It's pre-separated and pre-fluffed. 100% Kanekalon, okay? But it's really soft. I mean, of course it's not going to be like a natural human hair, but it's softer than like a lot of the Marley hairs that is available out there. So this is it. This is what it looks like. It comes in 3 bundles. Kind of springy type of look. So that's what I'm going to use. And what I'm doing is doing some temporary dreads or locks, whatever you want to call it. And so I started out by pre-twisting my hair into individual twists. Okay, so they're pre-twisted, and then what you do is you take out a string of the extension hair, and then you feel it to make sure that when it's kind of like woven together, it'll be thick enough. Then you would use a crochet needle, and you would just crochet it. I'm using this thick one because it's kind of like it's easier for me for my hair. So you would get it and just crochet it into your hair. And actually I got this idea from hair zipper. I think they call him the Crochet Master on YouTube. I would put the name down so that you all can go check out his channel as well. It's really good. I watch his videos, really inspiring. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky trying to get that hair in between, especially when you're trying to do a video. Okay, so let me just look at my mirror. My mirror is right beside me here, so I am just displaying it in my mirror. I think it's easier for me because the camera is like backward or something. It's kind of confusing, but okay, so just basically get the hair through. Okay, and so once you do that, so I got the technique, like I said, from the hair zipper, but I'm kind of modifying it a bit. Like, he didn't twist the hair, but me, I'm twisting the hair. I think it might make it like a lot easier once the hair is trying to once you're trying to undo the hair, after once the hair gets old or whatever. So so what you do is just wind it in, like you just go in and out. You're not braiding, you're just winding one hair in into so you can see me, this is my own hair. I'm just going in, then out, then in, just winding it all around, okay, until you have all the hair is gone. Okay, so once that's done, Okay, so you have that in. Then you're gonna take like a string of the hair, of the extension hair, and you're gonna continue on the same type of a thin string. Continue on the same type of motion, just going in and out and around. Okay, we're just gonna keep doing all this. It's so funny because it's easier for me. And then also I purchased these. I don't know what it's called. It's called it comes in three. It has a 3-prong, a two prong, and a 1-prong. Okay, and this is called Easy Dreadlock Needles. My local beauty supply, and it says dreadlock weaving needle with comfort grip. Okay, so it's really nice. It says fast and easy, so it helps you to kind of like pull the hair in. In his video, he was you know, he was winding the hair in with one of these, you know, like taking that hair. But for me, I just find it easier to use my hand at first, at least. So so you would take that little string, like I was saying. Oops. So take that little string and you just kind of keep, you just winding it in. You're not braiding the hair. You're just kind of like winding the string in and out. You know, with the locks, it's a rough look. So you're not trying to get anything to be just perfect or anything. You're just winding it in and out, just in through the first one and out, you know, and in through the second one, just kind of like that. Okay. In. To me, it's easier to do this than to do the I find it easier to do this than to do the to use the dreadlocks needle, except in the end when you're trying to clean up the, you know, when you've arrived at the length that you're comfortable with. So you can just kind of like detangle a little bit and continue. So you're just winding that little tiny piece just through. You're not braiding. You're just kind of like getting that little tiny piece and you're just winding it in and out. In. Okay. And you're going to keep kind of like measuring to see if you've come past the other hairs or not, you know, so that way you have a kind of uniform length of hair. So that's what we're doing. And so now we're getting towards the end. Okay. And towards this end, and so yeah, so you're getting towards the end. Okay, probably should have taken a thinner piece, but anyway. So once you reach where you're comfortable to stop, you're gonna get your scissors, pair of scissors, and you're gonna cut it like in a way that is kind of like, you know, like you're kind of like thinning out the end. So we're gonna thin out that end, okay? And then this is where the dreadlocks needle kind of comes in handy, okay? So you're gonna take this and you're just gonna, like you're trying to start a pair start some locks. You're gonna just take it and kind of just pull whatever hairs, the fuzzy hairs, You're gonna just pull them in. Just be careful not to, scrape your hand too much so it doesn't hurt your hand, but you just kind of keep rotating it and pulling this in. And then you're gonna point downward and pull those in as well. So you're just fishing for the hair and kind of like, because you want to kind of like make it blunt. Okay, so you're gonna roll it up and pull it in. See? So that I'm just kind of like rolling it up and pulling it in to give it a blunt end. It's nice and blunt. Okay, exactly what you're gonna do. And any stray hairs, do that. Oh. So, and then the, like when you do the twist, the beginning of the hair will be kind of loose. So what you're gonna do is take your crochet. Okay, so this is the end, and so you're gonna take one of your crochet hook. Okay, and you're gonna stick it inside, and then just hook the hair like you do a regular crochet. Pull it through and like an interlocking, and then you just tighten the hair. Okay, so that's what you do. And you can take one of the crochet needles. If your hair starts sticking out, you can take that and just kind of like pull it in. Okay, see that even uniform look is what you're going for, and that's about it. All good. Okay, so that is the look. Okay, I'll come back in the end and show you the end result. Okay, so because of the curls, it kind of like has a more like I said, a passion twist kind of look, but yeah, this is just crochet. So all right, stay tuned to the end. Okay, and like I said, I'll show you the finished result. Okay, so hopefully it's something that you can try out on your own and see what you think. All right, thank you. Hello friends, so I am finally finished with my locks temporary extensions. You can see the look. I'm gonna turn to the back so that you can see the back of my hair as well. And it's very light, really lightweight, and so which is what I really love, because I don't like heavy hair at all. So this is it. I laid my edges down with some edge control, and it's just edge effect, edge control. It turns white. It has a tendency to turn white, so I just usually apply some beeswax over it or spray some oil or something to get the whiteness out. But yep, right now it's fine. And so this is the end result. It just feels like my own hair, and I really don't like hair too much on my face, so I probably just tie it in the back of my head, something like this. I just like simple styles, something I could just do, or I could put it in a back ponytail or whatever the scenario. And yep, and we're good to go. So remember, you can also do this look as well. That's the reason why when I put out a video, a tutorial like this, I put it out for people that feel that maybe they don't have options, or maybe they can't achieve a certain look, but you can. Okay, you can. So I just wanted to be a source of inspiration to anybody out there that is looking to maybe get lock extensions, or just a look that is similar to this. It's actually very achievable, and it's very lightweight, and then you're good to go. So thumbs up this video if you've learned something. Go ahead and share, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Please join and be a part of the family. So whenever I do upload a video, you can and hit the notification bell so that you can get all the videos that I post. Till next time, God bless.